Want to try creating AI images with Gemini, but not sure where to start? We're here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to generate images with Google Gemini. Now let's get started. There are two ways to make images with Google Gemini. You can generate a new image from scratch or edit an existing image. Google recently introduced a new advanced image generating model they're calling Nano Banana. This model is automatically enabled and will power your image generation and editing process. If you want to edit an existing image, tap the plus sign on the left. You can then upload an image from your device to use as a reference, or snap a photo of something in the moment using the in-app camera. Once you've attached your reference photo, you'll need to write a prompt for the edits you want the AI to make. If you'd like to generate a new image, just type in what you want it to look like. Whether you're editing a photo or starting from scratch, be as descriptive as possible in your prompt, mentioning all elements you want included, like the subject of the image, the details, style, and mood. For example, let's say you wanted to create an image of a bedroom with white walls and modern furniture in a realistic style and with a warm and cozy vibe. If you're editing an image, you could ask for certain aspects of the image to be changed, like please change the wall color to a soft beige while keeping the furniture the same. Be as specific as possible about the aspects of the image that matter most to you. Use aesthetic references and inspirations to give the AI an idea of what style you're going for. You can also specify things you don't want in your image or styles you want to avoid. Once you send your prompt, Gemini will start working on creating your image. This can take some time depending on how busy their servers are at the moment, as well as how complex your request was. When your image is done, it'll load into your chat. You can tap the image to view it in full screen mode. Here you'll see options to save the image to your camera roll, or copy the image to paste somewhere else. After getting an image result, you can ask for edits if it isn't looking how you envisioned. If you want to make multiple changes, it's helpful to separate them into a numbered list to make your request clear. Once you've generated one image, you can use it as a reference for future requests in your conversation. This makes it easy to continue your project and keep the style of your images consistent. That's all it takes to generate images using Gemini. To learn more about Gemini, check out this video next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.